Meaning of hedge-trimmer.
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 Hedge-trimmer. A hedge trimmer is a gardening tool designed to prune and trim hedges, shrubs, and bushes. The device typically consists of a long shaft with a set of sharp blades at the end that can be oscillated back and forth to cut through vegetation. Hedge trimmers are commonly used by gardeners and landscapers to maintain the shape and appearance of hedges, as well as to keep them from growing too tall or wide. They are available in both manual and powered versions, with electric and gasoline-powered models being the most popular due to their speed and convenience.